Hey there, my name is Jordan. I'm on the product team here at Final, and today I'm going to show you how we set up Final Pay. So Final Pay is our built-in payment solution, which lets you take all modern payment methods directly inside the POS without having to jump between tools. And so that's debit cards, that's all credit cards that are out there. That's also sending payment links, taking orders over the phone, and also mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. So all of those you can use with Final Pay. So let's do the setup. So from your dashboard, head down to the Pay section in the left sidebar and click on Payments. Then hit the blue Get Started button to kick off the setup. So first, let's start with your business type. You can select whether you're a registered business, a nonprofit, or not really sure yet. If you're just getting started, unregistered is totally fine. Registered businesses and nonprofits will just need to provide a few extra details. Whatever you choose, you can always update this later from the setup page. Pick your option and hit continue. So now I'm going to just put in some personal details. Now tell us a bit about your business. Pick the industry closest to what you sell. It doesn't have to be a perfect match. And then add your website and click continue. And then add your website and click continue. Next is the best part, where your money lands. You can connect a bank account or a debit card here. And here's a pro tip. If you connect a debit card instead of a standard bank account, you unlock instant payouts. So that means you can access your funds right away instead of having to wait for the scheduled payout. Okay, so now the last thing I'm going to do is just to make sure that the Final Pay account that we just set up has successfully gotten linked to our outlet. So under settings, you can click on outlets and you can view the details here. And we have successfully verified our Final Pay account. So what this means is that any POS station now that you launch at this outlet can have a card reader paired and payments can be accepted and linked back to that Final Pay account that we set up. And that's it. So now you're ready to start selling and taking card and contactless payments through your custom Final POS. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions or comments below.